17 Pro Max. After removing the screen, the black part is the heat sink, which is made of aluminum this time. What's different from previous models is that the battery is now attached right beneath the heat sink. The front camera module remains largely similar to before. After removing the rear camera, it's clear that all three 48-megapixel lenses have become larger. I believe this should bring a significant improvement in photo quality. The 17 Pro Max still features a 2-layer motherboard, but it has been reduced in size. It even looks smaller than the rear camera. Hopefully, the performance of the motherboard has been greatly enhanced.